major reason why many people are still very much poor in the economy of today is simply because they are very lazy to do things right. Hey guys, my name is West, and you all know what I do here on my channel. I teach people how to make money online. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do make sure to hit the red subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon to get notified of my next video. So guys, let's dive into the video proper. When I shared the link of this very application talking about how you can walk and earn from walking or from trekking, many people have the mindset of asking the question, why should I be walking around? Why should I be trekking just because I want to earn from one app that I'm not even sure that is going to pay me? Okay, so far so good this day, being the 25th of November 2022. I've only walked from different places around my neighborhood just to get some things, and only for me to check back on this very application, and I'm seeing that so far so good today. I have walked over 14,194 steps so far. Now, why am I making this video right now? I'm actually making this video because people think it's when they start from Lagos mainland, they will now have to walk all the way to Lagos Island before they can earn from this app. No. Every morning when you wake up, from the moment you wake up from your bed, you step out to go and brush your teeth in the bathroom, come back again, go back again to have your bath, come back again, dress up, and then move out. Even if from your doorstep to your gate, you have made nothing less than 500 steps if you are holding your phone with you. Now, why is it now very difficult for you to install this very application on your phone? Enable the app so that as you are holding the phone walking about, it will be counting the steps for you. Then at the end of the day, you do what? Your steps are calculated, and at the end of the day, converted into a coin, which is known as the Sweatcoin. But people do not have that mindset. People do not have the mindset to see beyond what they actually have around them or beyond what they are seeing around them. They think is by the time you walk from Oshodi to Maitu or from Ikeja to Ojota, that's when you are going to make a hell out of the money. No, that's not the way it's done. Okay, that's not the way it's done. So far so good today. You guys can see on the home tab how many steps I have acquired so far, how many steps I have walked so far, and this is just 12:19 p.m. the 25th of November 2022, and I've walked 14,000 steps so far. Aside from the fact that I have moved around with bike and other means of transportation, for just walking alone, this is what I have been able to acquire. But many people don't have this mindset to see beyond this. All they have in their head is, why should I be walking around, which is very bad. So it is very important for you to go to the description of this video and, very simple, very quick one. Go to the description of this video, get the invite link. Okay, click on the invite link, download the app from your App Store or from your Google Play Store, set up the application. Make sure to enable your GPS. Very, very important. Make sure you enable your GPS location. If not, it's not going to work out for you. So at the end of the day, if you've been able to work, if you can see on my screen here that today's sweat cap is going to be 5,000 steps. So by the time you walk 5,000 steps, you'll be notified that you have completed your step for that very day. Okay, so at the end of the day, it is calculated and then moved into your wallet. So make sure that you have your wallet. If you do not have your wallet, make sure to install the wallet and set it up so that as it's being calculated, it is being moved into your wallet. Thank you guys. So guys, see you in my next video, and at the same time, do make sure to hit the red subscribe button, ring the bell notification icon on this very video, okay, on this very channel to get notified of my next video. Do make sure to also like this video to get this video to the top of YouTube front page. So guys, once again, my name is West, and this is how to make money online TV. So guys, see you in my next video. Peace.